A few weeks ago, I went to the gem fair. It was so cool. There were so many beads. The place was huge, and it was a little hard because there weren't a ton of people wearing masks, but hopefully most of them were vaccinated. We got to see all these different beads. There was some amazing sales, like strings of beads for like $1 or $2. Here's like the clearance section, and it was just so cool. I was able to get a lot of awesome stuff, and so I decided, why not do a haul video? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this haul from my trip and have a good day.
Alright guys, here's the haul. So I got these 3 bags, and these are just all beads. I think they're so cute. So I'm going to show you guys. Here's my first bag. I got these turquoise beads, and they're so pretty. And I love the shape of them too. Like, that's probably my favorite part about these beads, aside from the fact that they're turquoise, because turquoise is so pretty. Then we got these yellow beads. I'm not sure what kind of rock they are, but they're just so pretty. I could not pass it up. They were super cheap. This strand was only $1. And so, like, I could not pass up that deal. I love, like, the white marbly pattern that comes with them. Then, okay, these are so cute. I love this. I'm not sure what kind of jewelry I'm going to make with this yet. I know with the yellow, I'm going to be doing a choker. I'm probably going to be like mixing different color beads, but that's why I bought this white one. This is also only $1, and I just love the pure white color. They look kind of plastic, so I don't think these ones are real stone, but it was only $1, and it went so well with these. I said this would be like a perfect choker. So that's my first bag. Okay, here's my second bag. These are cute. I love the shape of them, just like the flat rectangle. And these colors, just look at them. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting these all in one like bracelet together, but I'm definitely going to be using them like in separate bracelets with different beads. I think it's so cute, and I loved this one, so I got that. And these were so pretty. I bought these as well. They're like little charms. I mean, they're beads, but I'm gonna use them just as charms, so like for the end of a necklace. There's my second bag. And then my third bag. This has got the most out of all of them. These super cute wooden painted turtle beads. I love them. I'm definitely going to be using them in a lot of jewelry until they run out. I love how they're like every single color too. That just makes me so happy. I can have a blue turtle bead bracelet and like chokers. Oh, I'm so excited. Then I got some more white beads and some more yellow beads. These have like a cracked looking like color. They're not actually cracked, but the color looks like they are, and it is so pretty. So I love these two colors together, and I'm so excited. I'm probably going to do a yellow turtle bead with these two and a choker. It's going to be super cute. If you'd like a video of me making these, just like a video of me making the jewelry, let me know. I got these super cute like brownish beads, and they look like marbly, and I love them. I love that kind of look. I got these turquoise color beads. I don't know if it's actual turquoise. I don't think so. But they're so pretty, and this one was also super cheap. This was $2. So I think that's so cool. And then finally, I love these. I'm going to use them in a similar way that I said I was going to use these ones. But the pastel colors are so pretty. I could not pass this up. I'm like, this could make just the cutest, like, candy-looking bracelet. Ignore the tag. Like, the cutest candy-looking bracelet. I'm so excited to play with all this stuff. I'm so excited. If you guys want some videos of me making all the jewelry that I'm going to be making with this, let me know, because I would love just to make videos like that if you guys want to watch them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.